Hello and welcome to another update video about Coti. I just wanted to cover Coti again because it has made nearly 20% today in the move to the upside, and also Coti is going to launch the mainnet 2.0 on the 2nd of November. I think that is big news. I think they were announced today or yesterday, I think today. And what does that mean? Well, apparently that new mainnet was in the works for a year and for over a year, and it will improve scalability and speed in the network and a lot of other improvements as well. I think that is the next milestone. That is big. The thing is, many people still don't know about Coti. I think Coti is really a very big thing. And if you want to do yourself a favor, go to the Coti website, check out their video, watch how Coti works. It is impressive. It just shows the potential of that company, of that organization. Yes, it's not exactly decentralized, but it is big. If it is that huge banking industry that they are targeting. That is huge. That's trillions of dollars, and yeah, that is big. Coti is still fairly unknown. I started talking on this channel when Coti was 13 cents, and that was back in June or July. And at the moment, we are still in that sort of retracement here. We have come already up to nearly 70 cents. That was weeks ago, and in my personal point of view, these are good prices. I see Coti at $1, $1.52, maybe even $5 in the not too distant future. Now, it's hard to say when, but certainly I could tell you that with that mainnet launch, if more people get an understanding of what that means, if more people hear about Coti, when Coti gets bigger and bigger, and it will be in my view, then that will be huge, and you will never see these prices again. That is my personal point of view. In the long run, I am a dollar cost averaging into Coti. Also, they work with Cardano together, you know that. And it's big. They're going to revolutionize the banking industry, the online payments industry. Basically, with Coti, the currency of the internet is actually the name. It allows everybody, every sort of tech company, every online business to develop their own, or to run their own digital currency. And it is big. It is big. It's cheap. It's fast. They claim it's the fastest blockchain to date. Now, to be honest, I haven't looked into that in detail. I know they're fast. Is it the fastest one? I have no idea, but they are fast and good. And I have a feeling this will be much bigger than we can think of now. So Coti already pumped 20% today. As you know, I've talked about Coti having that very important support level down here at 46.5. I know I had a few comments of a few people who bought at that level, and I think you made the right decision. Again, no financial advice, but you've made the decision already, and I think you're quite happy now. Don't worry about price moves in my view. This is the volatility of Coti, which is still a fairly low market cap. We are now above the 20-day moving average. We've made the move today above the 20-day moving average. We are already above the 50. We found support there. As I said in the last video, I thought, that 50-day moving average will provide good support, as it has always done for Coti, or at least in the last few months. And it has been climbing up. It is now very close to the price action, and it really pushed the price up, probably together with the news that came out above the Coti mainnet update next week. So it's looking good. We're currently addressing a key resistance level. Well, that's a big one, because that is the 0.214 Fibonacci retracement level at 56.5 cents. Now, we haven't yet managed to climb above that. If we do, we haven't done that since, well, we dropped below that on the 3rd of October. It's now been 4 weeks, and we haven't really managed to get above that since, I think, end of September the 25th. 25th. Now, if we climb above that level, I think that can set up for further moves towards a new all-time high, 70 cents, maybe even $1. And you already hear I'm very bullish on Coti. Now, at any point, that could drop again as well, but I think Coti is big, and Coti will be having a very good time in the alt season. So next levels after the all-time high, the 1.272 extension level is 85 cents. I think that will be the main retracement, or main extension level or resistance level when we get above the all-time high at around 70 cents. The reason I say that this Fibonacci that I've drawn here, that is valid, that has been respected by the price. You can clearly see that how well defined we found support here at that 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. And you can actually tell, we didn't even go down to the 0.5. We didn't even go down to the 0.618 again. We stayed quite high at the 0.382. That is very bullish. This is pretty much has ended up to be a bearish, not bearish, a bull flag or a descending wedge, and we broke out essentially to the upside. Now there's been a lot of up and down with following Bitcoin's volatility in the last few days and weeks, but it's looking good. I think it has really spent more than enough time in that consolidation, and now it has set up for a really good good move here. Now, what I showed you in the last video was that level here on the RSI on the daily, where I told you, you know, we were holding that 46.5, but I'm sure we will drop big if we break below the 50 line on the RSI, and we haven't done that. We have held that level, and no, it wasn't the 50 line, it was the 45 level on the RSI. Now we have held that, which is nice, which is good. Found really good support there again. And now I think it is setting up very good, and it's looking strong. And it looks like that here on the daily we are having a buy signal, possibly tomorrow in the next few days. That works very well together with that Koti 2.0 upgrade. And a buy signal now could really set us up for a new all-time high potentially very shortly. So it's looking strong. Fundamentally, I'm very, very bullish on Coti as well. And they work together with Cardano. You know that I like that anyway. And the DJet stablecoin is coming out as well. So it's all looking good. It's looking good. And to the people who actually bought at 46.5, congrats. And I hope I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.